It's a certified 2015 Audi Q5. It's time to step up to a luxury crossover that answers your demand for elegance, technology, and safety. Features include automatic transmission, gas pressurized shocks, external memory control, power heated mirrors, front heated leather bucket seats, auto dimming rearview mirror, auxiliary audio input, doors and push button start proximity key, dual zone climate control, and intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine. Car and Driver reports all the Q5s come with electrically assisted power steering that actually has a sufficient amount of feedback for an SUV. When you drive an Audi, the design and the performance make sure you stand out in a crowd. If you've been waiting for the perfect time for a test drive, the time is now. Experience it today.
At Arizona Car Sales, you won't find a better vehicle for a better price. Conveniently located at 1648 East Main Street in Mesa, Arizona.